Hi everyone. In the last video we talked about concurrency. We talked about how we can utilize the CPU wait time and in order to give the full CPU utilization of any of the tasks that we are running. So now we're going to be talking about concurrency and parallelism. So why is this conversation even there? Because a lot of people confuse between concurrency and parallelism. They're like that, okay, if multiple tasks are being multiplexed on the CPU, then isn't that parallel computing or isn't that a parallel task? So if this is a serial task, isn't this a parallel task? And in short, no. Because if you look at concurrency, gopher comes, waits for 2 minutes. While he's waiting, another gopher comes. So in this, preemption is happening, right? So this is a preemptive process. But in parallelism, what we do is we take one method and then we replicate across all of our CPU cores. So if you look at the other diagram over here, so this is our concurrent paradigm that we had. The same concurrent paradigm can be stretched across multiple CPU cores. So this now has become parallel. So we have an array of processes which want to take the CPU time, but now we can divide those into two CPUs, and then both these set of tasks and these set of tasks can execute parallelly. Note that if you're looking at one CPU and if you're looking at one thread, it might still be serial, but stretching that paradigm across multiple cores into a multi-threaded multiple core architecture is what is known as parallelism. So there is a really great talk by Rob Pike. I'm going to share the link in the resource section. I want you all to take a look at that talk, and it's going to clear a lot of concepts and a lot of doubts that you have around concurrency v parallelism. So I hope your doubts were cleared. See you guys in the next video.